Welcome to ProCatalog. The new ProCatalog software will allow cabinet manufacturers to quickly and easily build their catalogs for Pro Kitchen design software. ProCatalog features a huge library of wood species, door styles, colors, and modifications, thus taking most of the work out of building your catalogs. Getting your SKUs and pricing is as easy as importing your existing Excel files and matching your column headers to ours. This quick introductory tutorial will walk you through many of the features available in ProCatalog. The first feature we're going to look at is catalog preferences. These catalog preferences are set for the entire catalog. When you come in and click on a preference, it gives you a quick description and allows you to change it or set it to your own preference. Next, we will take a look at options. Under our options, everything's set up as dependencies. So if we select an option as door style, it comes open and it gives us what shows with that door style. We can show the image, we can show a PDF file, we can come over here and show how it depends on other things in the catalog. And then, of course, we have pricing settings down here. We can set our price types. We can set our price values. This is not actually setting the price of the cabinet, but it's setting the values for that. And how it will relate with other options, modifications, glazing, finishes, wood species, and that sort of thing. Our next tab is values. With our values, we have each door style listed. Now, I already have door styles in here. We have each door style listed. We can put in a description that will show when you select that door style. It also shows where that PDF file is located and the page number of that PDF file. Our next tab is dependencies. With our dependencies, when you select a door style, you can select all the dependencies on that door style. You can select your finish dependencies. You can select our line dependencies. We can select our lower door style dependencies and our wood species dependencies with that. So we can see with the Chelsea, we've got the wood species is maple, cherry, or soft maple. Our next tab is graphics. Our graphics allow us to add graphics, obviously, to each door style. As we see, I've selected the Columbia door style. This is a picture that imports from the manufacturer. This is the picture that will show up in any of the elevations or the black and white views. And this is the picture that shows up in the 3D in Pro Kitchen. Next is prices. This is where we set up our price parameters. We can set in as many prices as you need to in groups, and we can describe those groups as you need to. You can add or subtract as many as you need. And then the Dependencies tab ties these price groups that we set up with our line, our wood style, and our wood species. Next, we come to our products. Products is really the heart of ProCatalog. This is where all of your cabinets get set up in. This is where we set up our product tree. We can move these up and down. We have all of our cabinets inside here. But before we get to do any of this stuff, you actually need to import your products. And this is our other tab here. This is Product List. Now this one I've already got imported on. And you can see how everything pulls into an Excel file, from an Excel file. Now I've opened up one that has nothing imported into it yet. This would be a brand new catalog if you were just starting to set it up. And I have an Excel file here, so I'll show you how easy it is to import an Excel file into ProCatalog. We come in, we need to select our file. Here we're selecting our Excel file. And here it's imported our Excel file. This is our product list. There could possibly be other attached to it, depending on how large your Excel file is. And here's our Excel file. This is our ProCatalog field, and this is the field that the Excel file was built in. We can select our SKU. It's already selected for us. We want our SKU to relate to our ID in this case, but it could be our code or description. These are all of the headers of the columns in the Excel file that I just imported. So in this case, we want our SKU to match with our ID, so we select that. Over here, we do it again. We select our SKU to our ID. Our description should match our description. Our factory code will match our code in this instance. And then some of these are already set up. Our width matches our width. Our height matches our height. And you go down through here and you set each one of these, and I'm not going to take the time to do that. But once you set all of these, click on OK, and it will automatically import everything into ProKitchen. Once it's imported, this is the screen that we end up with. We can see that our SKU matched our description. Everything works as we go across here. Everything's imported, makes it quick, makes it easy for the person building the new catalog. Our next tab is our price. This imported over as well. We have the price for each cabinet under each price